Hey there, what are today's messages? Let's pick a card. The same boiling water that softens the potato hardens the egg. It's about what you're made of, not the circumstances. Which envelope has our quotes today? Let's see what's in this one. Tip of the day: never criticize yourself, not even as a joke. Words have power, and your body is listening. Look for something to be thankful for when you least expect it. Don't underestimate the healing power of these three things: music, the ocean, and the stars. Look for something good in a difficult situation. And the last one today: every action you take is a vote for the type of person you want to become. James Clear. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.